First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, I hope you have seen the thumbnail of the video. So 365 days test for the railway exam aspirants, right? So before talking about that, so first of all, wish you an happy new year to all, to you and your family. So students, those are preparing this year, just work hard, right? Surely you will clear one of the competitive exam. So all the best, guys, to all of you. So okay, so let's talk about the 365 days plan. So 365 days test or 52 weeks test. So it's only for the students those are preparing for the railway exams. So we are launching our new package, test package for this year, that is only for railway exam. Even if you are preparing for JE, RRB, Group D, NTPC, whatever be, right? But the aptitude and the reasoning will be common for you, right? So aptitude, each and every topic, we have given 100 questions, which will be more and more important for the upcoming railway exams, right? So similarly, reasoning session, each and every topic you will see 100 questions. And the third tab, you can able to see a new tab called 365 days test. So every day we will be giving you a test, and that test will contain 25 questions, and that 25 questions will be a collection of all the topics on aptitude as well as reasoning. Why? Because if you are preparing for a railway, you should have a regular touch on trigonometry, geometry, algebra, then time and work, time and distance, blood relation, direction, analogies, decision making. So everything you have to prepare daily. But you guys will not, most of the people who are working, right, they don't have that much of time to prepare daily. So if you write this test daily, just 25 questions, you can take on half an hour or 45 minutes to write the test. So if you daily write the test, then you will have a touch on all those topics, right? So you don't want to spend a separate time to prepare again trigonometry or again geometry for the exams. So if you have a regular practice, clearing the exam is very easy for you. So that's the reason from this year we are planning for the 365 days on the railway test package. So students, those who are preparing for the railway exam, don't forget to purchase the test. So it will be available on our website as well as it will be available on our mobile application, right? So first purchase it and start practicing all the questions, and regularly we will be updating the test questions. You can able to see aptitude, only limited topics will be there, but next week, upcoming weeks, we will update next topic and new 100 questions. So every time after uploading the question, at the end of the week, we will mention you what all the topics we have updated newly and how many questions we have updated. So everything will be updated on the test package soon. So thank you so much all, right? So students, don't forget to purchase the test and start practicing it, and side by side I too will post the video for the railway exams. So thank you so much and all the best. So definitely this year you should clear one of the competitive exams, right? So thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day and happy new year to you and your family, right? So thank you so much. Bye.